Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update apps in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to update your apps, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Play Store app and here just tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Then select manage apps and device and from here select updates available. Once you have selected, you will get the apps for which you have any update. Here you can easily find out app updates and from your search bar just go for search and here you just have to search for any specific app for which you want to check updates. In my case I'm going to check for Gmail and here you can see I have an update. You can simply tap on update option to install or download the update or you can easily update all of your apps at a time. Just tap on this update all option and your all apps will be automatically updated. Or if you want to update your system apps, so you must have to open your Galaxy Store. Simply open the app and here once you have opened, just tap on this menu option in the bottom right corner, then select the updates option. And here you will get the updates all of your Samsung or system apps. You must have to tap on this update all option or you can simply update all apps by one using this option. So in this way you can easily update all of your apps in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.